have a package. It's about hand size in the box. Let's see what it is outside of the box. Okay, it's black leather recoloring balm, leather color restorer, conditioner, leather repair kit for vinyl, furniture, and sofas. So my furniture is dark brown. It's not black. I don't know if I was supposed to go on here and choose dark brown. I don't have any holes in my furniture up here because it is fairly new. It says for any products or usage issues, please contact us firstly. Do not return the order. Leather recoloring. It's Drtulz, T-U-L-Z, leather recoloring black balm. Okay. Hold on. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we got gloves. Two. We have this. Looks like a buffer. Okay. And then we have a sponge. Oh, and then we have a brush. And that's all that's in the box. Okay, So suitable for all kinds of smooth leather and vinyl. Not suitable for any suede leather. How do you know smooth leather and vinyl? Not suitable for suede leather. Video instructions is on the side right here. Let's get the video instructions. Where's my phone? I'm gonna scan it. Oh, the video instructions are on YouTube. Okay, this is my furniture. It's not black, it is dark brown, and it doesn't need to be repaired. Dark brown. My furniture is dark brown. It is not black, so it doesn't need to be repurposed. It's practically brand new. I do have this couch in my garage, and I know it's cracking right here. but it's also dark brown. And it says don't put it on vinyl. So I don't even know if that's vinyl. So I'm not gonna do it. I thought about doing it, but I'm not gonna do it. So this is the garage. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. You can't really see it anyways, and it's dark brown. This chair is black, but it doesn't have any cracks in it. And this is the texture after. This is the texture before. So it does bring items back to life. This is still kind of wet. We're gonna see what happens afterwards. But you can see the difference already. The shine. Okay, so it's been an hour. It's completely dry. It's shining, it's not dull. This part is the original. This part is the new part. So you can use it as a shoe shiner or restorer. Restorations.
Whatever he squares in, would just be the thing squaring in, so you like to I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
We have burritos, black beans. These filters work. Can you tell when the filter changes?